is a table for you to complete. You have to put tick in the boxes for activities you did on your holiday, and you have to ask another 2 more friends about the activities they did on their holiday. Let's say, for example, you walk on the beach. So you have to put tick in the box for you walk on the beach. Maybe you take photos. So you have to put tick in the box for you for take photos. And maybe you eat fish. So you have to put tick in the box for you eat fish. Then you have to ask another 2 more friends about their activities on their holiday. Let's say friend number 1. For example, friend number 1, swim. So you have to put tick in the box for friend number 1 parallel to swim. And maybe for friend number 1, eat fish. So you have to put tick in the box for friend number 1 parallel to eat fish. Next example for friend number 2. Let's say your friend number 2 sail a boat. So you have to put tick in the box for friend number 2 parallel to sail a boat. And maybe your friend number 2 take photos. So you have to put tick in the box for friend number 2 parallel to take photos. Are you all still with me? Let us review 8 key verbs in present form. Look at sentence number 1. Norman and Lisa went on a winter holiday with their parents. The word went in this sentence is the past form of the verb go. Sentence number 2. It was very cold. The word was in this sentence is the past form of the verb is. Next sentence, sentence number 3. Norman and Lisa found a cave in the mountains. The word found in this sentence is the past form of the verb find. Sentence number 4. Norman and Lisa listened to the vet. The word listened in this sentence is the past form of the verb listen. Sentence number 5. The children took the cup back to the cave. The verb took in this sentence is the past form of the verb take. Sentence number 6. The mother bear came. The word came in this sentence is the past form of the verb come. Sentence number 7. The mother bear picked up the cup. The word picked in this sentence is the past form of the verb pick. The last sentence, sentence number 8. The children were very happy. The word were in this sentence is the past form of the verb are. Can we continue our lesson by writing 8 verbs in present tense? Let us try to do it together. Number 1, went. What is the present tense for went? The present tense for went is go. Number 2, was. The present tense for was is. Number 3, found. The present tense for found is find. Number 4, listened. The present tense for listened is listen. Number 5. Took. The present tense for took is take. Number 6. Came. The present tense for came is come. Number 7. Picked. The present tense for picked is pick. And the last one, number 8. Were. The present tense for were is are. Let me show you these sentences in both past and present form. Sentence number 1. I go to school at 8 o'clock every day. Sentence number 2. Yesterday I went to school at 8 o'clock. Sentence number 3. Hannah doesn't like cheese. And sentence number 4. Ali didn't like the film at the cinema last week. Why we use go and went in the sentences? They needn't use words like past or present. Let me show you. Sentence number 1. I go to school at 8 o'clock every day. Sentence number 1, because it's every day. The word every day is used in the sentence, which means present. How about sentence number 2? Yesterday I went to school at 8 o'clock. Sentence number 2, because it's yesterday. The word yesterday is used in the sentence, which means it's in the past. Next, we are going to write the past form of 8 verbs. Are you all ready? Verb number 1. Go. What is the past form of the verb go? The past form of the verb go is went. Verb number 2. Is. What is the past form of the verb is? The past form of the verb is was. Verb number 3. Find. What is the past form of the verb find? The past form of the verb find is found. Verb number 4. Listen. What is the past form of the verb listen? The past form of the verb listen is listened with ed at the back. Verb number 5. Take. What is the past form of the verb take? The past form of the verb take is took. Verb number 6. Come. What is the past form of the verb come? The past form of the verb come is came. Verb number 7. Pick. What is the past form of the verb pick? The past form of the verb pick is picked with ed at the back. And the last one, verb number 8. Are. What is the past form of the verb are? The past form of the verb are is were. Now we are going to say a sentence using the past tense of 8 verbs. Let us try with verb number 1. Go. The children went to the vet. We use went in the sentence because went is the past form of the verb go. Verb number 2. Is. Norman was hungry all the time. We use the word was in the sentence because was is the past form of the verb is. Verb Number 3. Fine. Katie found a pretty shell. We use the word found in the sentence because found is the past form of the verb find. Verb number 4. Listen. Alex listened to music at the weekend. We use the word listened with ed in the sentence because listened is the past form of the verb listen. Verb number 5. Take. The mother bear took the cub into the cave. Here, we use the word took in the sentence because took is the past form of the verb take. Verb number 6. Come. The mother bear came. We use the word came in the sentence because came is the past form of the verb come. Verb number 7. Pick. Anna and Greg picked flowers. We use the word picked with ed in the sentence because picked is the past form of the verb pick. And the last one, verb number 8. Are. The stars were beautiful. Here we use the word were in the sentence because were is the past form of the verb are. Let me ask you some questions about your weekend. Where did you go? Let's say Penang. Who did you go with? Let's say my family. What did you do? Let's say swam in the sea and sailed a boat. Did you like it? Yes, I did. So you have to write 2 sentences about what you did at the weekend using the answer. Let's say, for example, sentence number 1. I went to Penang with my family. Sentence number 2. I swam in the sea and sailed a boat. Before we end our lesson today, I would like you to listen to some jumbled up words. And after that, you have to write 2 unjumbled questions correctly. Are you all ready? Number 1. Did, where, go, you? Question mark. Number 2. Watch, you, a film. Did. Question mark. Can you please unjumble the words to make 2 questions? Let's write 2 unjumbled questions correctly. Question number 1. Where did you go? Question number 2. Did you watch a film? Let me tell you the difference between yes-no questions and those questions with question words. Let us look at question number 1. Where did you go? Question 1 is question words because it starts with WH questions. For question number 2, did you watch a film? Question number 2 is yes-no question because we use the word did to start the question and that the past tense is not used in the main verb, which is in the question, the main verb is watch with no S, no ED, and no ING. We have come to the end of today's lesson. I do hope you would gain a lot of knowledge in today's lesson. Hope to see you in the next lesson. See you then. Bye-bye.